Welcome to the CryptoNest. So quick update on hot and mining. So yeah, I believe this was the wave 2 on the 6th of September. We did an ABC for the wave 1. We did a corrective movement for the wave 2, reacted to the 0.5 fib retracement. And now I believe all this is just the A. Could this be already the third wave? Well, I thought I had something here. Let me see, maybe here. Uh, Okay, so we only reached the 1-to-1 ratio, so not really, right? This is a failed. If this had to be the third wave, he would have reached at least the 1.236. Yeah, as you can see here, right? The blue count reached the blue levels, and ideally it would be this one here, the 1.38, 26, 37. Now we need to be careful because it did reach the 1-to-1 ratio, and so now we follow the purple count. So this was the A, this is the B, and we did the C. And maybe because this was more a micro counting, this is like a bigger counting, right? So it could be that this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, and all this now it's a 1. So I have two scenarios now. Either hot and mining, this is the A, we're going to do the B, and we're going to do the C, and ideally reach this level here, 1.38, 26, 37. So this is my, I don't want to say favorite, but this is the one that I'm looking forward for the moment. Now, we know that wave B, ideally, they're going to go between 0.5, 0.6, and 0.786, but B waves are so hard to gauge. Can they go lower? Yes, they can, but then it wouldn't help for this C wave. So it cannot go deeper than the 0.786, otherwise they start to become useless because it's going to be harder to make higher high, local higher high. So if we start to lose the 0.618, then I'm going to start to change and flip the count and more likely tend on the ABC for the bigger wave 1, and this is a bigger correction of wave 2. So by doing that, I'm just going to put it there as an option so people don't say, you start to change mind. So no, I'm not changing mind, I'm just preparing for another count. All right, so let me find the color that I didn't use. I think this chart start to become a little bit multicolor now. Maybe yellow wasn't a good choice. Okay, light blue, I think maybe. Okay, so for the moment, this is what I'm looking for now, and so all this could be just a wave 1. This is the wave 2, and then after 3, 4, 5, I put them there, but just because. Okay, so now depending on the levels that we start to react, I'm gonna add the 0.32. So ideally, if this is the ABC for the bigger wave 1, then we are going to do something similar like that. The A is going to go here, ideally 0.382. Actually, you could go even high, a little bit higher, but I think this would be ideal. Then we are going to have the wave B somewhere in this level here, and then ideally, once again, we reach the $15.13, 0.618. Once again, this is a textbook what would be very good, and this is a bigger count that could be happening, but I'm put it, as you can see, on the side, because this is like my big case scenario. My first, for the moment it didn't change. We still have the 1 2, and we're working on the A. Actually A finish, working now on the B. Now you can see it, we did start to make a correction. We didn't break this, well, we did break this yellow uptrend. Now we're moving on the side. We did touch, I believe, yeah, or almost touch the 0.236. And I don't feel comfortable calling this an A and this is the B. But I mean, it could be, but it's too short, honestly. Let me see here. I mean, you see how long it took for the wave 2 to develop, right? This, it would be insane. And so, but maybe this is the A, this is the B, and now we're working on the C. And I don't want to procrastinate, but maybe allegedly this is the 1, this is the 2, and now we're going to work on the 3, and then 4 and 5, and this, well, now this stretched a bit too low, but this could be just the A wave, and then after that we go and do the B, and then after that we do the C. So depending, if we see 5 wave down here in the wave A, then the wave C is going to have 5 waves as well. But I believe now it's way too early to look for those kind of things. I'm just happy to check the levels reactions. Once again, if this is a B wave, we would love to at least reach $18.12. I know people, what? That's $2.50 less. I know, but this is a great level of accumulation, maybe, who knows. Now, I know I have so many friends that are, binary. They go all in, they go all out. Again, not the best. Just, if you don't have any, or you want to take more, grab a little bit here, we go lower, grab a little bit more, we go lower, grab a little more. And then, if we're invalidating this, well, after that, it's up to you to decide. Maybe, we jump to this scenario, right? And if you have a strong belief that, Bitcoin is going to succeed, well, then I'm not going to freak out if price goes down. I'm going to be happy. I know my friend, they find I'm crazy. When things go lower, I'm happier than when they go high. It's because I know things will go high, but I don't know how low are they going to go. So when they go low, for me it's an opportunity, because maybe I won't have that chance again to have it at that price. For me, it's all right. Let me get more, because I'm convinced that the price is going to go higher. People are freaked out. It means you're not convinced that price is going to go higher, or maybe you don't believe in deeply in Bitcoin. Me, I blindedly trust Bitcoin. I have hope in Bitcoin. I don't believe anyone can destroy Bitcoin anymore. But maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? Alright, so this was my 2 cents for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.